Hey there! Today I'm diving into the latest political maneuvers in Zimbabwe, where President Emmerson Mnangagwa is scheming to extend his grip on power. Let's unravel Zimbabwe's political chessboard. Mnangagwa, who came into power promising a new dawn post-Mugabe, is now exploring ways to stay in office beyond the end of his second term in 2028. But here's the twist. He's not seeking a controversial third term. Instead, he's eyeing a constitutional shuffle to de-harmonize the election cycles. The plan: to amend the constitution and electoral law, separating parliamentary and presidential elections. This means while parliamentary elections would go ahead as scheduled in 2028, the presidential election would be delayed until 2030. This crafty move would buy Mnangagwa an additional 2 years at the helm without the need for a third term. Now, why the change in strategy? Well, Mnangagwa's initial third-term ambitions hit a wall, opposed fiercely by Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and his faction within the ruling party, ZANU-PF. Even the army has blocked his third-term project. So Mnangagwa, ever the strategist, pivoted to this less complex plan. But let's not forget, this isn't just a simple push of a button. To achieve this, constitutional amendments are needed. And here's the kicker. According to the Zimbabwean Constitution, Section 91, presidents are limited to 2 terms, and any amendment benefiting an incumbent needs a public referendum under Section 328(9). So, Mnangagwa's gambit will need robust legal backing and possibly public approval. As Zimbabwe inches closer to these pivotal changes, the dynamics within ZANU-PF and the broader political landscape could shift dramatically. Mnangagwa's maneuver reflects a larger historical pattern in Zimbabwean politics, where power plays and legal loopholes often dictate the pace and nature of governance. What does this mean for Zimbabwe and the international community? For one, it shows a continuity of the political culture inherited from the Mugabe era, one of clinging to power by any means necessary. And on the international front, with Zimbabwe leaning more towards allies like Russia and China, especially evident in the recent commitments at the Russia-Africa summit, the geopolitical implications are significant. So, what do you think about Mnangagwa's strategic move to extend his rule? Is this a clever play, or a desperate cling to power? Dive into the comments and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into global politics. Until next time.